Whiskers. I've been expecting you.
Wow, Professor Paws, the legends were true! Incredible. I've never seen anything like it. It says the path is open to those who believe. Look, Professor, the symbols are moving.
Fascinating. It seems the entrance is revealed only when... Yes, here!
A secret passage inside the tree. We found it. Wow, look! My backpack is a lantern now.
Fascinating. According to this map, the path lies just beyond these vines. Follow me.
Which way should we go, Professor?
I believe this path holds the greatest secrets.
Professor Paws, look! It's a hidden garden.
Truly remarkable. Let us observe these specimens.
Observe, Whiskers. These blossoms possess unique bioluminescence. They glow. It's magnificent. Professor, look at how they glow. What are they?
Remarkable. According to this tome, these are the lumina petals.
Look, Professor Paws. The flowers are gigantic.
Indeed, Whiskers. The energy here is unlike...
Let's see what secrets you hold.
Professor, look!
Remarkable. The scrolls confirm the tree is the heart of the garden's magic.
And the treasure? What does it do? Professor Paws, look! I found the hidden entrance.
Excellent work, Whiskers. Let us see what awaits us inside. Professor Paws, look at this place. It's incredible. Fascinating. The flora here is unlike anything I've cataloged. Welcome to the secret garden. I am pleased to be your guide through its wonders. We would love that. Professor Paws, look!
Fascinating. These crystals pulse with ancient magic.
Look here! The constellation points the way!
Wow, Professor Paws. We know where the treasure is.
It says the treasure is near the Whispering Falls. Then what are we waiting for? Let's go!
This way, everyone.
The mushrooms are glowing. That means the treasure is near. Which way do we go, Professor? Just as the ancient texts foretold. A shimmering lake leading to the Isle of Whispers. It's amazing! Wow, look at all the treasure!
Incredible.
The legend is true. We must proceed with caution, little ones. Look here, Whiskers. This passage speaks of the great Crystal of Azure.
The one we just found, Professor.
Worked! Look at the carousel!
Incredible!
Come on, let's ride! Here we go!
Full steam ahead, Luna.
Next stop, the cosmos! This constellation aligns only once every millennium. Fascinating! The resonance frequency matches the etching.
By the stars, look at that! Fascinating. These carvings match the prophecy exactly. The door is not merely a door, but a map.
What does this symbol mean, Professor?
Extraordinary! My book confirms it marks the hidden passage.
Look! The lantern light reveals the symbol! It must be this one. The prophecy indicates the third stone from the center.
All right. Initiating the sequence now.
The final sequence, Emerald Nexus.
It's working, look!
The door is opening!
We did it! The sequence worked! Incredible! Look at all these artifacts! It's magnificent!
Do not touch it. That energy is unstable.
Only the touch of the innocent may proceed. Try the central glyph, Whiskers. Okay.
Here goes.
It's opening. Look at that light. the stars. Look at this place.
It's even more magical than the stories say.
We made it! Look at the colors. I have never seen anything so bright. The map reveals the path forward.
This symbol, does it mark the treasure?
Fascinating. Look, I think I've solved it.
Amazing! The chamber is revealing its secrets.
We found the treasure! This final segment should complete the cipher.
I'll turn it now. Look, it worked.
A scroll! The next clue is revealed. It's lighting up.
The Whisperwind ruins are marked right here.
Fascinating! The riddle finally makes sense. The runes indicate a test of courage awaits us inside.
I'm ready, Professor. We must find the treasure. The riddle means the crystal must activate the door. Let's try it. Look, it's opening. The inscription reads, "True magic lies not in the spell, but in the heart that wishes well." Wow, this is amazing!
Fascinating crystalline structures.
A truly magical sight. A secret path. Let's go see where it leads.
Intriguing.
The architecture is unlike anything I've cataloged. According to my calculations, the left path seems unexplored.
Let's go that way.
I'll light the way. Wow, look at that waterfall. Look, Professor Paws, the stream is full of them. Indeed. Remarkable specimens.
Cast your hopes upon the waters, Whiskers, and let the magic guide your catch.
Easy does it, Whiskers. Gently now.
He's so sparkly.
Back to your home, little one. This is amazing. Let's go explore the skies.
Hold on tight now.
The safety spell is cast. We are ready for our journey. We're flying! Look how high we are! Hold on tight, everyone. I still think this is too risky. Wow, look at the sparkling clouds. It's beautiful.
Be careful, Whiskers. These foggy caverns look unstable.
Look, Professor. It's magnificent.
Yes, but these markings suggest danger ahead.
Look.
The map is showing us the way to the treasure.
I'm not sure this is safe. The fog is thick.
Don't worry, Professor. My magic will light the way.
Let's go, I'm ready.
This door, it seems impenetrable. I fear we are at an impasse.
Don't give up, Professor.
The answer lies in the stars above us, little one. The crystal will show the way.
I understand now. This seems highly irregular.
The carvings respond only to the purest heart. Let the crystal guide your hand.
The inscription confirms it. This orb is the key to the Celestial Archives.
Wow, Professor. Look at the path follows the old riverbed, leading here. And my crystal reacts to this symbol.
That must be the hidden portal.
Look, the map is activating. The portal is opening.
Remarkable! We've arrived at the glade.
It's beautiful. the glow!
Remarkable! The waterfall seems to be a gateway.
Come! This is it! The heart of the stream's magic!
Remarkable! The energy readings are off the charts.
Go ahead, Whiskers. Feel the connection.
Incredible! The ancient magic lives.
Focus your energy into the crystal, Whiskers. Harness the light within.
Yes! Just as the prophecy foretold, the crystal's power is awakening.
It's opening. Look!
Incredible! The map to its true potential.
It's incredible!
Look at this! The path is revealed.
Look, Professor! It worked!
Remarkable! The path is open. Let us see where it leads.
It's working! The ancient secrets are revealing themselves.
Incredible! The power is immense.
Quickly, aim the crystal at the center column.
The ancient text confirms the alignment. We must hurry.
Wait, Whiskers. The runes suggest this path is a deception. The true exit lies beyond the shimmering wall.
Be careful, Whiskers. There's something else in here.
Fear not, travelers. The path ahead is treacherous, but I can show you the way through the mystical railway. The mystical railway awaits, my friends. Step aboard.
Fascinating. These devices seem to harness the train's magical energy.
The crystal brought us here for a reason. The ancient map confirms the legend. The treasure is within reach.
Look, Professor! It's glowing! Professor, look! That symbol on the wall!
It matches the map precisely. The passage is hidden there.
According to the map, the entrance is just past this stall.
Wait, Professor! The shadows! They're moving! I think we're being followed.
According to the map, the passage should be right here.
But it's a dead end. We're lost, Professor, and I don't think we're alone.
The key has shown us the treasure, Whiskers. It is magnificent.
But Professor, the air just grew cold. We are not alone.
We cannot keep this, Whiskers. It belongs in the temple.
But Professor, think of the power. It's magnificent. The treasure's true nature is revealed. This is a grave responsibility.
But Professor, it's incredible.
We can't just ignore this power.
We must consider the consequences, Whiskers. This is a grave responsibility.
key. The secrets are yours, but beware. Foolish guardian.
Look, Professor, it's glowing.
Intriguing. These symbols, they reveal the path.
It's right there. We have to go now.
Be careful, Whiskers. The shadow of the realm won't make this easy.
Wow, look at the mushrooms. They're glowing.
And the fountains, Whiskers. This place is truly magical.
We found it, the hidden treasure.
Remarkable.
The surprises of this garden truly know no bounds.
Wow, what is that?
Remarkable. A doorway hidden within the chest itself. This garden never ceases to amaze me. The wonders of this garden are truly limitless. Even the flowers possess the gift of speech.
They're beautiful. Wow, look at all this food.
Remarkable magic indeed.
Let us enjoy the feast. Look here, a treasure map. Quick, let's gear up. Wow, adventure awaits. I'm ready, let's go. Follow me, little adventurers, and I shall guide you to the treasure. But be warned, now combine your strengths. Look, the map is glowing. The golden flower, that must be the treasure. Fascinating. According to the map, the entrance is just ahead. Wow, a real treasure hunt. Let's go. The map doesn't say which way to go. We must decide together, Whiskers. This way looks exciting. This way, everyone. Let's see where this leads.
It's so beautiful in here.
I wonder what else we'll find. Wow, look at the water. It's beautiful. Fascinating. According to my calculations, this must be the Silver Creek. Wow, look at the crystals. What makes the pool glow like that?
This discovery is quite extraordinary.
Wow, look at this place. Are those glowing fish?
Incredible! A hidden world right beneath the waterfall.
I've never seen anything so beautiful. Look at all the colors. And those crystals, they must be the ones from the legend.
Remarkable. These symbols confirm and the legend is true.
Where does it lead us?
Another mystery awaits.
Look, right there. That's the way to the city.
The map confirms it. An incredible adventure awaits.
By Jove! Look at that architecture. It is magnificent.
It is even more beautiful than the map suggested. Greetings, friends. I am Luna. Allow me to guide you to the ancient temple.
An ancient temple. Lead the way.
Follow me, everyone. The temple awaits.
Wow, look how deep it is.
An extraordinary sight indeed.
Wow, look at this place. It's magnificent.
According to the map, the entrance should lead us right to it.